Yes. Okay. Yes, what? Do you want to use another word? Eat. You want to eat? Okay. Let's go eat. Yes. Good boy using words. Eat.
Sniff, sniff. Dinner! I'm so hungry I'm gobbling it all up. I always eat my yogurt first. I love yogurt. Then I eat my egg, veggies, then the yummy meat. The order of operations is quite important. Finished eating. Thanks for dinner, human. Human said I'm silly for making this funny smile. I guess my lip got stuck. It's really not that funny.
Subscribe to see me talk every day.